Motorcycle Riders Podcast with your host, Andrew. In this podcast, he'll give you motorcycle product and service reviews along with valuable tips and hacks to make your motorcycling experience even more enjoyable. Don't make costly mistakes or damage your cherished machine because you didn't know. Ask first. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Now, here's your host, Andrew.
All right, all you motorcycle junkies and fans, I'm your host, Andrew, and I'm here to tell you about another great product. I don't know about you, but when I come across a great product that makes my life easier and motorcycling more enjoyable, I'm all in. Now, I came across this product and loved it at first sight. It's called a Grand Pitstop Motorcycle Roller Cleaning Stand. The link is in the podcast description. If you're like me, you love riding your motorcycle. You're in love with it when it's clean, but you hate the task of actually cleaning it, especially the wheels. Now in comes the wheel cleaning stand. No more rolling your bike forward to get to a spot on your wheel that you couldn't get to before. No more propping your bike up on a stand to turn the wheel. Just roll whichever wheel you want to clean onto the roller and start cleaning. Spin the wheel easily to get to whatever spot you want. This idea was so good, I wish I had invented it. The best part is it won't even break the bank, unless your bank is already broken. Now, this item sells for under $40, so why are you still listening to this? Hop right on over there and grab you one today. You'll thank me for putting you onto it. As always, it's a pleasure to bring you new tips and information for your motorcycling experience. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button to get the latest tips and information delivered to you as soon as it comes out. Now I'm going out and hit the road myself. Stay safe, and I'll talk to you soon.